In this meditation, you will practice finding inner calm even when the markets become turbulent. It is designed to help you remain steady and clear-headed during periods of high volatility, so you can make rational decisions instead of reacting out of fear or excitement. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, then slowly exhale. Feel your body begin to relax, let your shoulders drop, and your jaw unclench as you settle into a state of ease. Now bring to mind the experience of a volatile market. Imagine you're at your trading desk watching prices swing rapidly up and down. You might notice your heart beating faster or your breathing quicken as the candlesticks jump around. Simply observe these physical sensations and emotions without judging them. Remind yourself that it's natural to feel a surge of adrenaline during volatility. Return your attention to your breathing. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale even more slowly. With each exhale, release any tension or anxiety you feel as the market continues to gyrate on the screen. You remain centered. Visualize yourself as the calm eye in the center of a storm. The chaos of price movement swirls around you, but at your core there is quiet and steadiness. You watch the market's fluctuations with a clear, focused mind. If a wave of worry or excitement rises, you acknowledge it and let it pass with your next breath. You realize that volatility is a normal part of trading, and you embrace it as an opportunity to practice staying composed. In this state of calm, you can see information objectively and stick to your trading plan. Picture yourself making a sound decision during this volatile period. Whether it's holding steady with a good trade or stepping aside when things don't fit your setup. You do this with confidence and without panic. Notice how stable you feel. Your hands are relaxed on the mouse or keyboard. Your gaze is steady. There is no urge to act impulsively, only a vigilant focus. By staying calm, you allow your logical mind to guide you. You might even feel gratitude for this moment, as it's given you a chance to strengthen your resilience. With each breath, you are signaling to your body that you are safe and in control, even as the market moves unpredictably. Now take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any residual stress. Feel a sense of ease washing over you, as if a gentle wave is soothing the edges of any anxiety inside you. In your mind, repeat to yourself, I am calm and focused. I thrive under pressure. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Open your eyes slowly, carry this tranquility with you. The next time the market becomes volatile, remember this feeling of centered calm. You can return to your breath, find your focus, and navigate the storm with a clear and steady mind.